So how cold is cold? In our case, cold is as cold as quantum mechanics allows. It's 1,000,000 times colder than outer space. In terms of temperature, that really is less than a millionth of a degree above absolute zero. So the goals of my lab are related to controlling atoms and molecules. A key technology that we make use of is laser cooling. With laser cooling, we can use laser beams to slow down beams of atoms, and slowing down these atoms eventually allows them to bring them almost to a standstill. It really allows us to then come into a regime where we can trap single atoms and work with them. It is the coldest place in New York, and in some sense, we like to say is the coldest matter in the universe.